I don't know how many of you have heard the phrase supply creates its own demand. हम लोग क्लासिकल इकोनॉमिक्स में पढ़ते थे ये Say's law, प्रोफेसर JB Say. He said that supply creates its own demand. You create the supply, demand अपने आप आ जाएगी. And this worked very well for quite some time. But then during the Great Depression of the 1930s, it no longer operated. There was huge labor available, resources available, and still there was huge large-scale unemployment because of scarcity of aggregate demand. There was a pessimism. Consumers were not spending. Business was not spending. Okay? And the Say's law was defeated. I see that ये Say's law फिर से revisit हो रहा है. In the sense AI space में. तो AI की factories बन गई है. I mean to say the chip makers have come, the semiconductor companies have come, the hyperscalers have come, the data centers have come, the large language model companies have come. तो सब ने AI के प्रोडक्ट्स को रोल आउट करने के लिए जो फैक्ट्री बनती है ना वो बना लिया है. बट जो यूज केस है AI का वो बहुत ही लिमिटेड है आज के दिन पे. SpaceX के IPO में the TAM, the total addressable market of AI was shown to be $26 trillion. $26 trillion, can you beat it? I think अगर ये TAM सही है तो everybody who is there in the workforce will have to go home because AI will seem to replace everybody who is there in the workforce. Which means I am also talking about robotic AI coming into the picture. Is it going to happen? Or is it that AI is going to just enhance productivity of the workforce so that nobody will be fired? We know that कहीं ना कहीं बीच वाला हाल होगा कि in certain sectors, in certain works जहाँ पे एकदम repetitive, monotonous work होता है, replacement will happen. But in certain other works जहाँ पे judgment, creativity, okay, required है, वहाँ पे human beings will not be replaced. So $26 trillion is not going to happen. Okay, I'm sure about it. But would it be $20 trillion or 15 or 10? That remains to be seen. And therefore, we are headed for a situation where Say's law का violation फिर से होने वाला है. Supply will not create its own demand. These factories of AIs which are built, I don't think they will have takers to the extent that has been projected. Which means that AI will be a success. I am using AI. You ought to use AI. But it does not mean that the TAM will be so big. And therefore, the valuations which are right now existing, they are going to come down. There will be few great winners, but there will be few or many large-scale losers in the AI space. By that ground, Indians often think that हम लोग तो बच गए, हम लोग तो AI में ज़्यादा participate ही नहीं किए. Okay, हम लोग तो anti-AI trade थे. I think that's not the way to look at it. India and Indians are adopting AI. Of course, we do not have the money power to go large scale into large language models. Some of the companies are doing it, some startups are doing it, and I think they'll do well because जिनके पास अभाव रहता है ना पैसों का, वो पैसे का महत्व समझते हैं, तो वैसे वो अपने हिसाब से ही खर्चा कर पाते हैं. So we have been able to spend on AI infrastructure to the extent our purse permits. Okay, we have not gone overboard. We have not leveraged ourselves multifold or allowed our markets to really go to astronomical levels. So I think the collapse is something that everybody is going to suffer, but India would relatively suffer less. Wanted to share this. Thank you.